beautiful souls. I'm Doña, and if you ever felt the call to express yourself through music but got stuck in theory, roots, or self doubts, I got you. I believe music isn't something we learn, it's something we know and feel. That's why I created my Donya's free play method to help you to tap in your inner rhythm, play freely without overthinking, known as mindfuck. So, whether you're new to handpan, looking to reconnect with music, or searching for a creative way to express yourself, this space here is for you. Here you find tutorials, inspiration, and a supportive community to help you break free from rigid techniques and truly feel the music. Free yourself through music. Discover your unique sound and play from the heart. Are you ready to explore the magic of intuitive music? Let's begin. Hit subscribe and start the journey with my free handpan course. Yes, free. The link is in the description below. Play your way, connect, play, flow. It's an introduction to handpan music. So let's make music that moves the soul. Love you and see you hopefully soon in my free handpan course.